Here's how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2019 Hyundai Kona. This should work with 2018 through 2021 Kona models as well as of this video. Alright, so open up your glove box. Inside you'll see two circular lock tabs, one on the right, one on the left. Twist each one counterclockwise and pull out. Do the same thing for the other side. Turn it clockwise and pull out. The glove box should now be able to just drop down. Alright, behind the glove box you'll see the cabin air filter cover and housing. On the right side you'll see two tabs that you would pinch together to pull out the cover. The cover kind of swivels out and you pull it because there's a tab right there at the end that slides into a hole on the side. There is the air filter. There's the part number for this exact filter if you guys are curious. You can always buy an aftermarket filter using the part number, and you can find like an alternate part, aftermarket part that is a replacement for this OEM part number. You can even find charcoal filters to filter out any odors. You just pull out the filter. This one isn't terribly dirty, so this doesn't really require changing yet. Looks dirty on camera, but in person it honestly does not look bad at all. So to put it back in, just put the filter into the slot. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing downwards. Grab the cabin air filter housing cover. You kind of have to slide it into the slot on the left. And I'm going to just push the cover in till it clicks. Make sure the cover is not loose. Grab your circular locking knobs. Go ahead, lift up the glove box and then twist the locking covers back into place. Alright, that is it. That is how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2019 Hyundai Kona. If this video helps you guys out, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.